Where can I get a good coffee?
There's a nice cafe just around the corner.
How far is it to the city center?
It's about a 15-minute walk from here.
Can I borrow your phone charger?
Sure, let me grab it for you.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn, the weather is perfect.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot, especially in the summer.
Can you pick me up later?
Of course, just let me know the time.
How do I book a taxi?
You can use an app like Uber or call a local taxi service.
What time do you start work?
I usually start work around 9 a.m.
Where can I rent a car?
There's a rental service near the airport, or you can book online.
Do you need any help?
No, I'm good, but thank you for asking.
What's your favorite hobby?
I love painting. It's so relaxing.
Can we meet tomorrow morning?
Sure, does 10 a.m. work for you?
Where's the nearest pharmacy?
It's just down the street, next to the grocery store.
Do you want to watch a movie tonight?
That sounds great. I'm in.
How long will it take to get there?
It should take about 20 minutes by car.
Where's the best place to eat around here?
There's a fantastic Italian restaurant nearby.
Can you tell me the time?
It's 3:30 p.m. right now.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I'm always reading something new.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and a bit warm, perfect for a walk.
How do I use this machine?
Let me show you. It's pretty simple once you know the steps.
Can you drive me to the airport?
Absolutely, I'll be ready when you are.
What time does the store open?
It opens at 9 a.m.
Do you need directions?
No, I think I know the way, but thanks.
Where do you usually go on weekends?
I love going to the park or visiting local cafes.
What time will the bus arrive?
It should be here in about 10 minutes.
Can I use your computer for a moment?
Sure, go ahead.
Where can I find a good bookshop?
There's a great one downtown. You'll love it.
How often do you work out?
I try to go to the gym at least 3 times a week.
Do you want to grab lunch?
Yes, let's go.
Where can I buy a train ticket?
You can get one at the station or through a mobile app.
How's the traffic today?
It's pretty light, so you should be good.
Can you come to the meeting?
Yes, I'll be there.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy a mix of pop and indie music.
Where do you work?
I work in marketing for a tech company.
How do you get around the city?
I usually use public transport or sometimes I'll bike.
Can I get a glass of water?
Of course, I'll get it for you.
What time does the movie start?
It starts at 7 p.m.
Do you need to take a break?
Yeah, a short break sounds good.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a graphic designer.
Where can I get a haircut?
There's a great salon on Main Street.
Do you want to grab a coffee later?
Yes, I'd love to.
Can you help me move this?
Sure, let's move it together.
How do I connect to Wi-Fi?
Go to your settings and select the network. I'll give you the password.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm planning to relax and maybe visit a friend.
Do you like going to the gym?
Yes, it helps me feel energized.
Can I call you later?
Absolutely, call me anytime.
How do you feel today?
I feel great, thanks for asking.
Where's the nearest metro station?
It's about 2 blocks away from here.
Do you want to come to the party?
Yes, I'll definitely be there.
Can you recommend a good movie?
You should watch Inception, it's one of my favorites.